Thought I'd do a quick video showing what I've been working on the past few days. It is the depth probe from the $6 Million Man series from the 70s. This version I'm going to build will have a dome on top, so it's the second appearance of the depth probe. It's going to be remote controlled. This is the 8-channel, well, 8-channel it's called, 4 motors remote that I showed in a few videos back. I'll turn it on. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. It has to bind. Switch on the bottom. It's got a proper battery drawer. 3 AA batteries back here. Just some tires of O-rings. A little caster back here. Tank drive. The motors in it are these Metal Gear blue TT motors. The turret rotates. Got no room over here. I don't know what other features I'm going to put on it. Electrically, probably not. I might put a light in here. I'm thinking I'll put these little windows here will be clear, or, well, they'll be translucent because I'll print them in clear. They'll come out translucent. It'll have the dome up here. I'm going to try to make the dome where you can open it and close it like the in the show. It had a laser or something underneath it. I haven't seen the show in a long time. I was able to find pieces of it online. I didn't feel like buying a DVD. This is all done from just images I've got off the internet. This is held on by magnets. There's the 2 TT motors. Little 30 RPM N20 motor. Runs off, like I say, 3 AA batteries or 4.5 volts. There's a little receiver board down in here for this remote. Probably put some type of LED that'll, can't put anything here because this rotates 360 degrees and you twist the wires into. But I could put like a stock up here with an LED that would illuminate the windows. I think I might do that as like a power on indicator. Motor here drives a spur gear, but drives this ring gear. All works pretty well, I guess. I've only got 2 magnets in it now. It's kind of fun. Give a little once around for it. Of course, this is not the final colors. I just was printing it in whatever I had. It's not glued together or anything. A lot of weird geometry on this thing for designing, especially these arms and getting these arms to interface with the main body. Has a print in place battery door here. Well, I think that's all I wanted to show. I'll continue working on it, and I'll release the files and everything when I get on. Probably be another couple of weeks, a week or maybe 2. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching.